Hi there, good morning, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in today's video. So in today's video we are making chakalaka. Yes guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make chakalaka. It's very easy. The only difficult part of this recipe is cutting vegetables. Yes guys, cutting vegetables. It took me about 30 minutes to finish cutting all the veggies. Yeah, so I won't be showing you guys that part because it will take forever. So let me tell you guys quickly what we have here. We got chili flakes, black pepper, chicken cubes, olive oil, cayenne pepper, I think it's a curry powder, oregano, and ginger and garlic paste. And here we got red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, cabbage, and green peas. Here we got beans, acha, which is a pickles, carrots, and onions. So first I'm going to boil the green peas just a little bit, yeah, as it takes long than other vegetables. Not really, but I just thought let them just like boil a little bit separate. So I'm going to just like boil 2 minutes. Once it start boiling, I'm gonna just wait like 2 minutes and remove it. Yeah, I'm going to take long, okay guys, because we want that crunchiness. This veggies in what do you call it, chakalaka must not, the veggie must not be well done, must not be cooked nicely. So yeah, we are looking for that crunchiness. Yes guys, so in this pot I add the oil. It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I add onion. This onion is two guys, two medium onions which I chopped, and I'm going to fry that for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add ginger and garlic paste. I'm gonna fry also for yeah, I'm gonna fry together for another 1 minute. I'm gonna go ahead now and add all the vegetables, starting with the carrots. It's 1 cup of carrots which I cut in very thin slice, and green pepper, red pepper, and the yellow pepper. Next I'm gonna add cabbage. Cabbage is also a 1 cup. Yeah, I'm gonna now mix everything together. Now let's add the spices, starting with the cayenne pepper 1 teaspoon, curry powder 1 teaspoon, chili flakes is half teaspoon of black pepper. Next we're gonna add oregano, it's 1 teaspoon. Now we are adding 2 chicken cubes. Now I'm gonna just mix it to bring everything together. Next we are adding our green peas, and we're going to stir that in. We actually gonna stir fry for about 5 minutes in low to medium heat for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my pickles. It's about 2 tablespoons guys. As you can see, it's full. So yeah, it's about 2 tablespoons. If you want to measure nicely, it's 2 tablespoons, guys, of pickles. And now I add can of beans. Now I'm gonna just mix it. Like I said, it's not difficult, guys. It's not difficult because the veggies, we don't cook too much. It's like we are just steaming the vegetables. You must not overcook, otherwise it's not gonna be chakalaka. Okay, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and of course I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.